So I'm excited to watch the video. Been waiting on this one a long time.
It's been a long time.
You're funny as balls. You heard that, guys? He's funny as balls.
I'm gonna mute this part. A vlog. Hey guys, we're here at Voices in Bloom. We're intermission right now. I'm with my friend.
I want to be in it.
I'm in it.
What do you have to say?
Slash unfunny.
Slash killed. Bella, say hi to my vlog. Hi vlog. Hey vlog. Hey, say hi to my vlog, guys. Hey, so cute.
Guys, I'm actually kind of nervous for my tour, just a little bit. Cause
you'll be great.
No, because last time I did my solo fire, I choked a little, but it's okay. We're gonna get this. I just hope that my family isn't like, cause then it psychs me out, you know. And I'm like,
I know my mom's gonna be like that.
No, but your solo is so cute. I love the. Oh
thanks.
So cute, Daddy.
Bye, y'all.
Okay, Audrey, explain what's going on.
Okay, so basically, we're gonna go to BBQ Chicken and we're gonna get tteokbokki to eat.
Yes.
And then after that, maybe a drink or maybe a side bowl. And then afterwards, I guess like shop. And then we're gonna go to the park and then see our sunset.
Yay!
Oh, the lighting is
Hi guys, I can't
Why are
really
you
see
so
my-
dark?
Why the fuck are you so dark, girl?
Wait, like that. Wait, yeah, that's good.
Hi guys.
Hey guys.
Awkward. Okay. Hi guys.
Where's that angle? Like that.
Shang, I'm still recording. I can't find the button. Say hi. Yeah. We're at KBBQ now, and we're gonna get some tteokbokki.
Oh, piece of shade.
I'm gonna dig in.
So spicy.
Oh. It's okay.
Guys, everything's so cute.
Who is Pokemon?
Okay, cute. Okay, so we went to the store on Main Street and Shane got Shinchan keychain and then Bailey got Lulu the pig. We went to Starbucks and we got drinks and then Bailey got her acai bowl, but she finished it already. And that's Shang's matcha frap. So yummy, so yummy.
Sponsor me. Sponsor us.
Sponsor my YouTube. Sponsor his YouTube too.
Yay. What should we already have? We have this one.
I had this 2 times.
We better not get that one.
Let me see again.
Spam box.
Okay.
I think it's gonna be the face mask.
Alright, let me see. Face mask. Okay.
What's your guess, Audrey?
My guess is definitely the fridge.
The 1 out of 96? Oh, she's putting her bets on this one.
The fridge one.
Okay,
What do you think, Shane?
I think it's the inflated balloon.
Are you trying to send a message?
Like mother, like daughter. What is that?
Oh my god, this is the face mask when I predicted it!
Wait, really?
Yes!
Wait, it is.
Wait.
Wait, and then here's the thing with the stool and the face mask.
Wait, that's cute.
Wait, it's fuzzy. Touch it. It's so fuzzy. Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's so cute.
Oh my goodness gracious.
This is the one I got.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Wait, okay, what's the other side?
What? Oh, this side.
I think you're gonna get this frog one.
This frog one?
Yeah.
I don't want that one.
Oh. Did you make them? Is it for your sister?
Oh.
Wait.
Oh,
Oh!
Wait, that's so good. That's so cool.
Wait, that's cool.
Wait, you can put like lippies in there or something.
Yeah.
Wait, go
Hello
back,
guys. Right now we are taking
This
photos.
this one is. It looks like they're in the burning
And-
fire. They're like
Wait, let's see. Let's
the
see.
flames, the flames. Look at that. Look how good
Bro.
that is. That's your
is
hair, by
that?
the way.
What
That's
the
your hair.
hell, Yate? What the?
With the Halle Berry.
Okay.
Okay, that one.
Hey guys. So
Slacked Rafa.
we're at this trail next to the park that we were at. Oh my gosh, I have the hiccups. And we're watching the sunset because our senior sunset was today at school. It was today at school. So so since our senior sunset was today and we didn't want to be at school, we decided to come to the park.
Yeah.
We decided to come to the park and watch our own sunset.
There's the
This is
sunset.
it.
Whoa.
This is the sun. Oh! Ah! Wait, get me.
Whoa! Oh.
Okay, explain what we're doing today, right now.
We're at this like senior power time. I don't know why.
It says senior graduation and it's assembly.
Oh yeah. My gosh, look at my pimples. Oh no, and it's prom in like a couple days. Oh, well maybe they'll go away.
In this age of rising.
Look at my frown.
Guys, we're at the mall and our friend's walking really fast in front of us and we just did some shopping and we got some stuff and then right now we're gonna go get some drinks.
Hello
why are we
guys. We're here because senior ditched day today, so we ditched because we're seniors. And we decided to come to the mall because we wanted to go to Dave & Buster's. And what did we get? This is what we got. We got a plushie, some Pokemon cards, and some snacks.
Yes, oh we're gonna do a Pokemon card unboxing later. Hey guys, so Shane got some Pokemon cards and he's gonna open them. And then Bailey got her pressed. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Hey guys, so we're at the Arboretum taking pictures and it's really pretty and we got our shots done and everything and those are my friends over there. My friends for the vlog and yeah, we're about to leave to drive to the venue for prom. And then I hope they don't play carnival. That's my main concern. Don't play carnival. And yeah, so I'll vlog when we get there. Okay, bye. We're at the venue. Hey! Hey, this is how it looks, guys. It's really pretty. Sorry. Okay, sorry. We have one more. Whatever that is. So do you want to like bite one bite, another bite? Yeah. No.
But you didn't get the chocolate on top of it.
I did. Hello. I give it a 4. What do you give it?
I gave it a 2.
It's not good. It's not good. don't get that. Wait, don't know.
I'm not gonna spit it out.
Oh, that in your mouth? Oh, I thought you meant like everything here. I was like, oh, it's not good. You shit it all.
Where are we at?
Prom! Woo!
Why'd you do this shit?
Wait, guys, I had my vlog! Hey! Take 2. I'm Bailey.
I'm Raphael.
This is my boyfriend.
Hello.
Who are you? What the hell? Hi, I'm Sydney.
I'm Kai.
Hi, I'm Aiden.
Hi, I'm Hannah.
Hi, I'm Jinghao.
Hi, I'm Emily. Hey, it's Audrey. It's my boyfriend.
It's Ryan.
You can't walk in. Bye, y'all.
Hey, I'm editing this video. I just want to say thank you so much for watching A Week in My Life Prom Edition, and I will try to upload more often. What else do I want to say? That's it, I think. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Bye.